We have in our own hands, yes, literally in our own hands, a simple life-saving action to reduce exposure to the coronavirus or COVID-19. It is simply regularly washing our hands with soap. By washing hands properly with soap, we protect not only ourselves, but can also avoid spreading the virus to others. According to researchers at the University of Oxford, Imperial College London, and the National Institute of Public Health and Environment in the Netherlands, how individuals respond to government advice on preventing the spread of the coronavirus will be at least as important, if not more important, than government action. Yet, when it comes to hand washing, the challenge runs deeper. The spread of the new coronavirus is shining a spotlight on a little discussed gender split. Men wash their hands after using the bathroom less than women. One research showed that only 15% of men did not wash their hands at all after using the bathroom, and 35% wet their hands but did not use soap. This compares to 7% and 15% for women. By sincerely following the age-old practice of washing hands with soap, each one of us can make this pivotal contribution.
Arming people with the knowledge of hand-washing hygiene is only part of the challenge. Many people in developing Asia and the Pacific still lack access to washing facilities or clean water, which are crucial to preventing the spread of COVID-19. Seetha explains.
It is crucial to remind ourselves that clean water needed to wash hands is still not easily available to 3 billion people, including children, parents, teachers, healthcare workers, and other members of the community. The UNICEF reports that as of 2018, 1 in every 6 healthcare facilities had no access to washing facilities and had no functional toilets at points of care. This lack of access to clean water and safe sanitation continues to be responsible for nearly 90% of all fatalities from diarrhea worldwide and is now crucial to preventing more deaths caused by the spread of COVID-19. Experts who gathered at the Third World Water Forum in Japan in 2003 rang the alarm bell first, underscoring that one of the greatest failures of the last century has undoubtedly been the failure to lay the foundation stones of public health in the developing world: hygiene, sanitation, and water supply. Fortunately, it is not late to make up for the lost time and save millions of lives. Sustainable access to clean water for hand washing and achieving the United Nations 2030 Sustainable Development Goals requires safe sanitation, including wastewater management. Most urban sanitation measures have been limited to the incremental expansion of centralized sewer systems. UNICEF reports that 2.2 billion urban residents, or 29% of the entire global population, do not have safely managed sanitation services.
Seetha concludes by discussing how innovative policy approaches can improve citywide sanitation and build more sustainable and resilient communities. He points to work in this area being advanced via ADBI's partnership with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation.
We urgently need out-of-the-box thinking for addressing these challenges. An example is the citywide Inclusive Sanitation Initiative promoted by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which radically rethinks urban sanitation. Citywide inclusive sanitation is agnostic about technology choice. It is a public service ensuring safe containment of sanitation, that is safety and inclusivity. It expands opportunities for private sector participation by creating market incentives for investment and innovation. Our case study in Dumaguete in the Philippines shows that the spillover effects of citywide inclusive sanitation are significant, such as increasing property values, boosting tourism and people's livelihoods, and promoting improved health and productivity. The COVID-19 crisis is a crucial opportunity to take forward innovative solutions that can greatly increase access to sanitation, ensure public health, and build more sustainable and resilient communities now and into the future.
This has been Asia's Developing Future, brought to you by the Asian Development Bank Institute in Tokyo. See the show notes for the transcript and related material. For more information about us, please visit adbi.org.